In this video, we're going to learn how to make filters in real time, just like these ones here. So we're going to create a new filter, a music genre filter. And we're going to filter this list of albums by music genre. To do this, I'm going to exit preview mode. And the first thing I'm going to do is go to this collection panel and create a new collection, a collection for music genres. And now I'm going to come to this new genres collection and I'm going to add two new music genres, electronic and jazz. So we have our newly generated genres here. Now we need to connect the music genre collection to the album collection. Each album will need to have a music genre associated to it. For this to happen, we have to connect these two collections. So go to the album collection, settings, and add attribute. Here in title, we're going to choose single reference. What I want to do is connect the album collection and the music genre. So I've selected the genre collection and I'm going to go to save. Now I'm going to go here to the album collection, to the two entries where I can confirm that this new field has been created. In this field, I can select electronic and jazz. I'm going to select electronic, and now I'm going to select jazz. I'm just going to fill out these two albums for now. This is enough for the tutorial. Now that we've got the data modeling ready, we need to go to the layout and verify what was created. So the structure we can see is a flex layout structure. You can find it here in ZY Objects. And here in the grid item, we have a filter button that you can also find in ZY Objects. This element is really necessary and has a lot of specific properties. We'll take a look at these further ahead. There's also a text element in the filter button. Now you'll need to select Flex Layout and then come here to the data panel and activate Dynamic Data. Here in the collection, we're going to select the collection we want to list. In this case, music genres, so that the music genres appear here. So we can see that our music genre names, in this case jazz and electronic, still aren't appearing here. For these music genres to appear, select the text element, go to the data panel, and down here in Dynamic Data and Styling, and in Get Text from Genre, choose the title field. What we're doing is linking the text element to the title field in the music genre collection. Okay, so now we can see both our music genres. But the filter isn't working. To make this work, you'll need to select the filter button. Go to the data panel and select the Flex Layout 0 list to filter. And now here, you'll have to choose the type of selection. I'm going to choose single since I want to use one filter at a time. And here in attribute, I need to select how I want to filter. In this case, by music genre. And now the collection should be the same as the current item. This means that I want to filter based on the item that is selected. If I click on jazz, I want to filter by jazz, and the same for electronic. So in other words, the same as the current item. The current item is the item I am currently clicking. After this, for the method, choose toggle. Toggle filters when you click it, and unfilters when you click it again. This is exactly what we want. Now I'm going to enter preview mode to make sure the new music genre filter is working. As you can see, it is working. So now I'm going to get out of the preview mode, and there's still something I need to do. It's important to customize your filter button. So to do this, go to the panel view, and here in this drop-down menu, select current state. It's important to customize the current state of the filter button so that you know when it's selected. In this case, we can customize by using an underline. And that's how easy it is to create a real-time filter.